In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a photo in Yahoo Mail. First, let's open Yahoo Mail. This is where your email journey begins. You will see a clean interface that is user-friendly and straightforward. If you are using a web browser, navigate to the Yahoo Mail website. If you have the app, simply tap on it to open. This is essential because without this step, you won't be able to access your emails. Once you are in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice your inbox and various options on the left sidebar. Next, we need to click on the Compose button. This button is usually located at the top left corner of your screen. It is marked clearly, making it easy to find. Once you click on it, a new message window will pop up. This window is where you will start writing your email. It is vital to click Compose to initiate the process of sending an email. After you click it, you can see fields for the recipient, subject, and message, preparing you for the next steps in sharing your photo. Now let's click the attach icon, which looks like a paperclip. This icon is typically found at the bottom of the Compose window. Clicking on this will allow you to add files to your email, which is crucial for sending images. When you click it, a menu will appear with options for attaching files. This is an important feature as it enables you to share photos with your contacts easily. Once you click on this icon, you will be ready to choose your photo. From there, you will select either Photos or Browse Files. If you choose Photos, it may take you directly to your image library. If you select Browse Files, you will navigate through your computer's folders to find the photo you want to send. This choice gives you flexibility in how you locate your image. It's important to know where your photos are stored, as this step allows you to choose the correct file effortlessly. Once you make your selection, you are one step closer to sharing your photo. Next up, choose the photo from your computer. This action is simple but significant. You will see your files and folders displayed, so find the image you want to attach. Once you locate it, click on the photo to select it. This is an important moment, as selecting the right image ensures your recipients see what you intended to share. After you choose the photo, you will notice a loading indicator, confirming that the upload is in progress. Now it's time to wait for the upload to finish. During this moment, you may see a progress bar or a spinning icon. This is a good time to double-check that you have selected the correct photo. It's crucial to ensure that the upload completes successfully, as this confirms the image is ready to be sent with your email. Once the upload is done, you will see the image attached within the email window. At this point, add the recipient, subject, and message. In the To field, enter the email address of the person you want to send this email to. In the subject line, write a brief description of what the email is about. In the message body, you can add any additional information or context for the photo. This step is vital as it sets the stage for your communication, ensuring the recipient understands the purpose of your email. Finally, click Send. This is the moment you have been preparing for. After reviewing everything, pressing Send will deliver your email along with the photo. You will see a confirmation message indicating that your email has been sent. This is reassuring, as it confirms that your communication has been successfully shared. Now you can sit back and await a response, knowing you have effectively shared your photo through Yahoo Mail.